Creatures that thrive off these reef ecosystems. The most common trash left in the water? Fishing line. Lines will get tangled in coral, break off, or simply be thrown to waste. And sadly, they'll find items never meant to feed the ocean. Stay home. Plastic, metal, all kinds of stuff. Along with cleaning reefs, the Blue Ina campaign allows the opportunity for scientific studies. For example, fish counts are done at each location and compared with previous years. And today, there's a group that will be testing the water quality to track any pollution that has made its way from the land down to the water.
To just monitor what's happening with water quality for the reef sake and the ocean sake and ocean users.
Give him more pills.
Surf right around the corner. A lot of people surf around the day. The reefs, we want to make sure that we can try to keep them healthy. All right, you surf guys, get ready on three. Want y'all to jump in. I'm going to go splash.
And keeping the waters healthy impacts not only today's generation, but the surfers and swimmers of tomorrow. Most surf legend Les Potts has been surfing on the waves since the 1960s.